Brothers, this car has a strange issue. Come on, take a look. I'm starting it now. It starts fine, but watch when I ease off the gas. See that? It stalls on its own. Any idea why? Let's check the front. Come, help me start it again. Notice? No idle speed. Owner says it stalls easily at red lights. He's changed plugs, cleaned valves, lines, and pump. Spent a lot, but problem persists. I'll see if I can fix it here today. It's not plugs or injectors causing this. It's the idle motor. Let's remove it. Removal is simple. First, unplug this. Now use a screwdriver for these two screws. I told him, why fix more after all that? He said, just say if you can't fix it. I replied, talk like that, I can't help. Okay, screws out. Now pull the idle motor. All right, let's examine it. Found the issue. Come look. Wow, see? Carbon buildup all over. No wonder it won't idle. Now we know it's easy to fix, right? Don't rush to replace. Save money. Get a cloth cleaner and remove the carbon. Wow, look how dirty it is.
This cleaner's cheap, just a few bucks online. This idle speed regulator adjusts idle speed. If there's too much carbon buildup, it can jam the valve, causing idle speed issues. If idle speed's too low, the car may stall. If too high, it'll waste fuel. Look, it's clean now. Just like new, isn't it? Now let's install it and see how it works. Installation is simple. Align the regulator with the hole and gently push it in. Okay, it's in place. Now tighten the screw. Finally, plug it back in. Front's all done. I'll start the car to check if it still stalls. Hey folks, if this fixes the problem, don't forget to like and support. Now for the moment of truth. Watch closely. I'm starting it without touching the gas. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. One try, see? No stalling. Let's go check the front. Problem solved, don't you think? Power's great, issues fixed. How much do you think this tip's worth? 80, sound fair? Follow for daily car tips.